Hello, and welcome to Nails for the Week. My name is Lori, and I hope you're having an absolutely fabulous day today. I know I am because you're here and we get to play in the nail room. So, let's get started. All right, I have the December Vettsy box. I know it's well past December, but I just got it. And I just got a new camera, so, I'm not really sure about any of the footage that is in this. We're trying. I'm trying. I know absolutely zero about cameras, so please bear with me. I know I lost some footage. So we're going to dig into this box, and hopefully everything else is here, and hopefully we can see everything, right? Right. All right, right on top we have a nail art mat. It's got a lot of different stuff on it to help you do whatever art you want to. Different types of nail shapes, and helps you with your beadwork. There's circles on there to help you with your beadwork, and just a lot of different stuff. There's the circles. There you go. It's a pretty nice little silicone mat. And I've got it upside down because, yeah, as you can read, apparently I wasn't reading, but I was filming. Okay, next up we have this 5-pack of glitters. It's in one of those stack containers, where the lid is the bottom of the previous glitter. I hate those. Do you guys like those? Do you like that they keep them all together? But these are all really pretty colors. They're all fall colors. And I mean, it'd be great just to grab a stack, but I guess I always know kind of what I'm looking for, kind of what I want. And I usually keep different colors in different drawers. So this is in a Prisma collection box. I'm not sure, or Prismatic collection. They all say Unicorn series on them. Well, some of them do. Some of them don't, but they're all in these same type jars. So the first one looks like just a white pearl, and the second one is just a nice light lemon yellow. Number 3 has got like a pinky sheen to it, a pinky and yellow sheen. 4 is pinky and green, I think. Yeah, kinda. There's 5. It's got a hint of purple to it. They're all really close to the same. I think if you put them over black, you would really be able to tell. Or go with number 7. And number 7 is definitely purple. For some reason, number 8 and 9 are lost. 8 is a purple as well, and 9 is blue. So, otherwise, and we got 2 top coats and a base coat in there. Otherwise, we got some stickers. Lots of stickers. I wish that plaid was more than black and white, but it is a nice sticker. We got some glitter. All Christmas stuff, of course. I really liked that one where the snowflakes were all just kind of glitter snowflakes. This stuff, I don't know. I mean, it's got a big old orange on it, and it's in kind of a honey pot, but it really didn't have any smell to it. And it was kind of like a sticky gel, which is fine. I mean, it's really cool, but if you've got nails or something, you're going to have to use the top of your nails to scoop it out if you don't use this little thing. And I just didn't see any way to really get in there without using this little thing. And then what are you supposed to do with that little thing when it's all sticky and kind of gross? I don't know. It honestly, Not a fan. I did actually end up throwing it away because it's slimy and sticky, and I just didn't like it. Just my personal opinion. I just didn't like it, so I did throw it away. But I mean, the bottle was cool. It was cute. Okay, next up we have some charms. And yes, I have since figured out how to zoom in on this camera. I didn't know at the time that I was filming this, so it was really kind of like, well, let's just hold it up to the camera. These are little cherries. Just silver. The cherry itself is gems. They're very pretty. There's that one. And next up, we've got this huge, I mean, it seems huge to me, bag of different charms and little everythings. I mean, there's little gems in there. There's little, what do you call them? Spangles. The hearts and stars. The little, little spangles. You know what I mean. But it's very pretty. And we've got a bunch of stickers. We got some star stickers in silver. Yellow fire glitter stickers. Those I thought were really cute. Black holographic. Cute. And then pink marble with some gold detailing. Very cute. One of my little jars leaked. Thank God it was only a top coat. It was either the top coat or the base coat. I can't remember. So there's a lot of the stuff is really sticky. Some hollow pearl bears. And these are little cuffs. Little jeweled cuffs. They're very pretty. And then we, of course, have the little, the round stick is a magnet, and the little square is a swatch that comes in all of the Daily Charm stuff that you get a polish in. We got some money bags and 2013. Charms, then we got some bow charms. Kind of cute. Red bows with polka dots. Next up, we got the snowflakes. The little gold snowflakes with a clear gem in the middle. They're very cute. I keep wanting to say diamond instead of clear gem. I mean, I know it's not a diamond. It's probably not even cubic zirconia. You'd be lucky if it's glass. But does anybody else seem like they always just want to call clear gems diamonds? It's just easier. Okay, we got more charms. They really loaded this box up with charms. And this is their very last box. They're changing the whole new scheme of things now. I believe that's a rose, if I remember right. It's really hard to tell on camera. So in January, when this video comes out, the monthly boxes will be gone. And they're starting up a whole new different box system, and I'm not exactly sure what they're going to be doing. So, alright, we got this little box here. This is a bit cleaner, an electric file bit cleaner. You just put this little brush in here in the middle. One side is the regular bristles, plastic bristles for the brush, and the other is metal. And you put a little bit of bit cleaner or brush cleaner in there. Some people use acetone. It really doesn't matter. It depends on what's stuck to your e-file bit. And then you just stick your bit in there, turn it on low, and use the brushes to clean off your bit. I've always going to get myself one of these, but I just never had. So that's cool. I'm glad. Happy to have it. Happy to have it. Alright. Is that it? Or no, we've got at least the polish. Yeah. Alright. That polish. The only thing I hate about these guys is that they never put the color in the top for you. I've broken so many of those things. It's not even funny. But this is Amber Cat Eye Gel. You see, I'm just kind of playing with the magnet there. Next up, we've got some solid gel polish. Number 9, the Ivy. 16, Funk and Roll. 17, Wanted. And number 50, Retro Dream. And I think I've gotten all those in other boxes. So let's see if we can't figure out how to zoom you out. There you go. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I know I enjoyed the unboxing. I enjoyed the box. I wish that they were still continuing to do this, but hopefully they will come up with something cool and funky. I don't know. Hopefully they'll come up with something neat for boxes in the new year. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you again next time. Bye!